A $10 million market cap, original cryptography that no other crypto project ships, an oblivious transfer protocol roughly 200 times faster than the academic baseline, the only chain in the entire industry building a real replacement for DNS. And the founder of the closest competitor has publicly admitted his project has the exact weakness this one is solving. This is Quilibrium, 10 reasons it's the most undervalued tech in crypto right now. A few of my best calls: Tau at $8 before it ran past 700, Cassie at 1 cent, Tibber at 2 cents, plus pre-social buys, Bitcoin at 400, Ethereum at 16, Link at 30 cents. QUIL is not on that list. This is current research coverage. The thesis is what the next 10 minutes prove. The next sleeping giant is already on my list. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe. One deep dive like this drops every week. Reason 10, working developer services, not test nets, not roadmaps. Quilibrium ships 5 live APIs right now, QStorage, an S3 compatible decentralized object store with 5 gigabytes free. QKMS, multi-party computation key management, QQ, private message queues, QConsole, where developers deploy actual websites in under 30 seconds. Most decentralized cloud projects are still publishing white papers. This one is shipping production code that you can call from a terminal today. Reason 9, a real third-party app in production has already migrated off AWS. 2 weeks ago, the Zapme decentralized social platform announced, quote, they had moved all video, image, and post uploads from AWS S3 onto QStorage. Their own engineering team's words: faster, smoother, encrypted data. This is not a partnership announcement. This is a real builder in production swapping a centralized cloud provider for Quilibrium. The thesis stops being theoretical the day someone migrates off AWS to prove it. Reason 8, fair launch tokenomics that actually means something. No venture capital allocations, no team pre-mine, no airdrops, no foundation treasury. QUIL is 100% mineable. The supply schedule is tied not to a fixed calendar, but to actual computational milestones the network reaches. Roughly 1.3 billion tokens in circulation today, roughly 2.9 billion projected by 2033. In a market still drowning in venture-funded chains, this distribution profile is genuinely rare. Reason 7, the founder is not an unknown. Cassie Hart was a senior staff engineer at Coinbase before this. She was an engineer at Farcaster before this. She has been working on the Quilibrium stack for over 8 years. This is not a pivot. This is not a side project. The cryptography that ships in this protocol traces directly to the work she has been publishing for nearly a decade. When founders with that kind of background go this deep on a single thing, the market eventually pays attention. Reason 6, original cryptography. Cassie wrote her own Ratchet protocol, specifically an extension of the signal double ratchet for groups called Triple Ratchet, published in the Quilibrium white paper December 2022. The breakthrough is mathematical. One single ciphertext sent once encrypts a message for an entire group, regardless of size. Other end-to-end messengers cap groups at around 1,000 users because they need a separate ciphertext per member. Triple Ratchet has no such ceiling. It is already shipping in the Quorum messenger today. Quick check. Of the 5 reasons so far, which one is the strongest? Drop the number in the comments. I read every one. 5 reasons left, and number 1 is the one that finally connects the gap. Reason 5, the primitive that makes this entire protocol possible at cloud scale. Oblivious transfer is the cryptographic operation that lets multiple network nodes compute on data without any of them ever seeing it. It's the heart of multi-party computation. Quilibrium uses an implementation of the Ferret protocol that performs each operation in roughly 22 nanoseconds. That is, by the team's own published number, nearly 200 times faster than the academic baseline it's built on. Without that performance gain, cloud scale MPC is impossible. Reason 4, bigger elliptic curves than every major chain. Quilibrium signing happens on ED448, encryption on X448, 581. For comparison, Solana uses ED25519. Bitcoin and Ethereum use the curves from the 90s. Ethereum's aggregation runs on the smaller BLS12, 381. The bigger the curve, the more raw qubits a future quantum computer needs to break it. Quilibrium has more time structurally than the chains everyone calls quantum resistant. Reason 3, architectural privacy. On most so-called private chains, privacy is policy. The operator could see your data. They've just promised they won't. Quilibrium is structural. Multi-party computation splits your keys, your traffic, your application state into pieces scattered across the network, never reassembled in any single place, ever. A subpoena cannot compel what doesn't exist. A jurisdiction cannot shut down what no node fully holds. A data center outage cannot take down what is definitionally distributed. That is what privacy means at the architecture layer. Reason 2. The price tag itself, Internet Computer, the closest comparable to Quilibrium, is priced at $1.3 billion. Filecoin, the biggest decentralized storage project, at $714 million. Arweave, another storage chain, at $125 million. Quilibrium is priced at roughly $10 million. Less than 1% of ICP. None of those projects have Quill's cryptographic stack. None of them are building a DNS replacement. The closest comparable is roughly 130 times more expensive. That is not an opinion, that is a price tag waiting on a catalyst. Reason number 1, the one that connects every other reason on this list. Every decentralized application in crypto that uses traditional DNS went dark during the November 2025 Cloudflare outage, including internet computer applications. After that outage, Dominic Williams, the founder of ICP himself, conceded publicly, quote, "DNS remains a weak point," end quote. He said his project needed a name resolution alternative, and Quilibrium is the only project building one. It's called QNS Quilibrium Name Service. 3 tracks, a bind resolvable bridge for existing browsers, an MPC-based private resolution layer, and, long-term, a dedicated Q top-level domain native to the global web. Nobody else is building this. Not Filecoin, not ICP, not Arweave. The project trading at 1% of ICP is the only one solving the problem ICP's own founder admits. CSG TAKE, Quilibrium ships more original cryptography per dollar of market cap than any project I cover. Working developer services, real third-party migration off AWS. Fair launch supply, the most credible founder pedigree in the category. And the only DNS replacement in the entire industry, the honest counterargument is that shard out, the network's full multi-shard rollout, has been delayed. That risk is real, but 10 reasons later, the price tag is a setup, not an opinion. One more time, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Quilibrium is high risk, asymmetric, and has not played out yet. If you're trading this rotation, the tools I actually use are in the description. Blowfin for perps, Ledger for cold storage, TradingView for charts, Coin Tracker for taxes. Subscribe for the next sleeping giant. Real-time research drops on X first at CryptoS Giants. See you in the next one.